I always forget to do before shots, but here we are. My puppy. You can see why when we bought the house that this job was right at the top of the list. This bathroom is beyond tired. It's ugly, it's mouldy, it's cramped. We've been at the house for 2 years and yeah, it's time. Really wish we could have started earlier, but here we are. Time to get stuck into it.
First hole discovered, and that's 5 layers of flooring so far. Lino, the board, another lino, tiles, and then wood.
We've decided that we can just live without this downstairs bathroom until this reno's done. Yeah, you can see here Catherine made a start, ripped up all the floor. We were really keen to see what was underneath the lino because we were worried about water damage, and it, to be honest, is better than we expected it would be. I think my job for this afternoon is to rip out that shower. I can't undo that screw up in there, but I did manage to find one tucked in down there that I was able to get off, and I think the door will slide out now. Too easy. First good look inside the wall. It looks dry in there. That's promising. It's not good for the fitting. Put little scratches on it, but we're not using that anymore. So that was pretty horrible anyway, so just rekindle it. I kind of hoped I'd never have to use this thing again, but you slide it up over the top of a flathead screw and it helps remove screws so the bit doesn't slide back and forth. Definitely makes it easier. Would it be even easier if we used decent screws in the first place? That was my goal on this job for today, so I'll call it there.